So let's check. I hope the camera angle is fine. Who let the dogs out? Who? Just about to check the quality of the video as well as the mic. I'm pretty sure that there will be plenty of wind noise from the helmet because I need to change the helmet as well. I guess every biker should know that the cops has been very strict nowadays after the second wave. I got a fine last week. I had a fine since 2020. They pulled out everything from their data and this I paid 1,500 rupees, like 1,000 rupees for over speeding and 500 without helmet. So beware, bro. लूट लेंगे ये लोग. I don't know if I have switched on the rock steady mode. I think that should be on default. Let's check. So I'm using a mic as well as a mic adapter for this. So just wanted to check if everything is working fine. But I am pretty sure that there will be plenty of wind noise from this helmet because it's an open helmet and there are no proper, it's all open from everywhere. So there is a chance of air getting inside it. And I even don't have any idea how is the angle from which I'm shooting right now. And this is the first time I'm doing a moto vlog. Hope turns out to be good one. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. Okay, let me tell you something. Okay, so last time I was just going from this same road, and there is a underway. Okay, underpass, and there is a what to say? एक नीचे जाने का ऐसा road है. So I was just riding peacefully. And what I can see is after this particular bridge there was a cop standing with the interceptor vehicle. and he charged me like 1,000 rupees for it over speeding. 55 is the city limit, but I managed to escape from that. I just paid 500 rupees. इधर उधर का दास्तान सुना के थोड़ा पिघल गए हमारे पुलिस भाई साहब. The government is in serious need of money. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. Into the world was born. Make him understand. Like a dog without a bone, after all alone. Riding on the storm. So most of you might tell which city is this. This is the city name is Bengaluru. It's Bangalore. The most famous thing in Bangalore is the weather. If you ask anyone when you land up here in Bangalore, what is the most famous thing in Bangalore, they will tell that the weather of Bangalore is damn good. लेकिन सच में पहले अच्छा था. अभी because of this global warming and all, पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. It used to be like cloudy every time. I need to buy a helmet. I don't know which to buy because pretty sure I'm getting a lot of wind noise in this particular video because I'm getting it. My ear can hear that. That means the microphone definitely will catch it up. Well, this is my first action cam. There are plenty of wind noise, plenty of wind noise. It's getting inside my ear like the zoom sound. बोले तो वीडियो का माँ बहन हो चुका है. Don't you miss the sound from the bullet? It's not a bullet exactly. It's a 350 bullet. Is the one which comes with without a disc brake and all. That is the real bullet, the standard one. This is just another version of it which they have named as classic. And I am riding this bike since 5 years. Okay. And I like this bike very much during the city commute, man. Because of the torque and because of the sitting postures as well. And I have done plenty of long rides in this bike, but for long rides I don't recommend this bike. Even I want to get one, I need to buy one bike like just for a highway, ride, because at highway speed this will disappoint you. Although you can easily cruise on 100 and 110. Okay, so there is a myth, people saying that after 100, after 90 there is a lot more vibration in the bike. I'm telling you guys, my bike vibrates below 80. After 80 my bike doesn't vibrate. मामू पेट्रोल तो भराया ही नहीं ना मैंने. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. I think like most of the YouTubers, whenever they used to ride the bike and they get much confused about if the GoPro is on or not, they have to see here like this. So it blinks. So in DJI Osmo Cam, you can even the rider can see from rider can see that if it is recording or not, because on the top of the case there is one light which indicates that it's getting recorded. That's a cool one. You don't have to look into the mirror every time just to ensure that the GoPro or any action cam is on or off. I mean, it looks pretty good. You see the blink? Yeah. Nowadays, most of the people complain about not having a fuel indicator, because all the new and the modern bike comes with the range, not with the fuel capacity indicator. Correct? In this bike, you have to stop. You have to open the lid. Then after, just हिला के देखो पेट्रोल है या नहीं है. Also, what I've seen is like many people riding the new Bullet, the new Royal Enfields, like the old one. फिफ्थ गियर में डालो और 30 गियर में चलाने के लिए देखते. That doesn't happen with the new Royal Enfield. It will just spoil your chain pocket. क्रैंक भी ढीला हो जाएगा. स्मूथली चलाओ एवरी गियर में. मैं ना पूरा गड्ढों के ऊपर से लेके जा रहा हूँ, जस्ट टू इंश्योर दैट द माउंट विच आई हैव बना के रखा हूँ वो थोड़ा मजबूत होना चाहिए. फॉर दी गोप दिस ऑस्मो माउंट आई जस्ट गॉट सम एम सील और वो आपका 3M का टेप. जस्ट टू थिंग्स एंड इट लुक्स स्टडी, बट आई डोंट नो. जितना भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है अभी करो, क्योंकि आजू बाजू में गिर जाए तो पता भी चलेगा. I just have to see how. Abhi, oh no, I have to change my helmet. It's the air is getting inside from each and every corner. तिमीले मलाई सोद्धा पनि सोधेनौ, तिमीले मलाई कहिले पनि रोजेनौ. क्रिकेट चल रहा है. I got a challan yesterday only for not wearing a mask. Right now also I'm not wearing a mask. Because things get very tight if I wear a mask and ride and ride with a helmet. कुड़ी कहंदी मैनू एक मर्सिडीज ले लो the Mercedes Benz तिमीलाई मैले भेटेको हिजो राति सकलीमा पर्खी बसेको थिए तिमी कसैको लागि त्यो बाटोमा Because this is the police station, JP Nagar police station. पर्खी बसेको थियो तिमी कसैको लागि त्यो बाटोमा This bike is a BS3 bike, okay, so it still has that small bit of the punchy sound. तिमीलाई मैले भेटेको हिजो राति सकलीमा पर्खी बसेको थियो तिमी कसैको लागि दो बाटोमा So people, next time एक दूसरा टाइप का वीडियो बना के देखता हूँ मैं